Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchases without breaking a sweat. Today, we're taking to the skies with two awesome drones, the DEERC D20 mini drone on the left and the TOMZON P5G GPS drone on the right. Which one will make you feel like a pilot? And which one will crash and burn? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about cameras. The DEERC D20 comes with a 720 PhD Wi-Fi camera. Reviewers say it's not bad for capturing your kid's first attempt at drone piloting or your dog's very confused face. But the TOMZON P5G? Oh baby, we're talking 4K Ultra HD, 90 degrees adjustability, and a 120 degrees wide-angle lens. Reviewers rave about the high-quality images and video feed. It's like comparing a flip phone camera to a professional DSLR. TOMZON is clearly winning this one. Sorry, DEERC, maybe next time. Next, let's dive into everyone's favorite topic, price. The DEERC D20 is priced at a wallet-friendly $69. It's practically asking to be an impulse buy, and reviewers love its budget-friendly nature. Meanwhile, the TOMZON P5G is a bit more bougie at $159. Reviewers feel it's worth the splurge for its advanced features. Just remember, you don't need to remortgage your house to buy a drone. Or do you? Now onto the fun stuff, flight features. The DEERC D20 offers 3D flips and waypoints fly. It's like a circus in the sky. Plus, it's got voice control and gesture selfies. Perfect for when you want to impress your friends or confuse your neighbors. Reviewers say it's great for beginners and kids. On the other hand, the TOMZON P5G comes with high-precision GPS, auto-return, and a bunch of other smart features like Follow Me and Circle Flight. It's practically a flying butler. Reviewers are impressed with its stability and ease of use. TOMZON definitely takes the cake in this category. Battery life is crucial. The DEERC D20 offers 20 minutes of flight time with its two rechargeable batteries. Not bad for a quick joyride, and reviewers appreciate the extended flight time for the price. But the TOMZON P5G? It gives you a whopping 36 minutes of airtime with its two batteries. Reviewers love the extended time to capture stunning footage. That's almost enough time to make a sandwich, eat it, and then chase after the drone when it flies away. TOMZON for the win again. Safety first. The DEERC D20 has low power alarms, emergency stop, and propeller guards. Great for keeping it out of your hair, literally. It's also super easy to control, making it the best drone toy for kids. Reviewers highlight its durability and ease of use for beginners. Meanwhile, the TOMZON P5G offers a high-precision GPS system to ensure you never lose it, and it comes with a beginner mode. It's like having a drone with training wheels. Reviewers appreciate its high-tech safety features, despite some initial sing-sing issues. Both score points here, but TOMZON edges out with its advanced features. Overall, the DEERC D20 mini drone is highly recommended by reviewers as a fantastic entry-level drone for beginners and kids, offering great value for its price. It's durable, easy to use, and packed with fun features. On the other hand, the TOMZON P5G GPS drone receives praise for its high-quality camera, advanced flight features, and extended battery life, making it a top choice for those willing to invest a bit more for a premium experience. So there you have it, folks. If you're looking for an affordable, fun, and easy-to-use drone, the DEERC D20 mini drone is your go-to. But if you want to feel like a professional pilot with all the bells and whistles, the TOMZON P5G GPS drone is your sky-high dream come true. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another Buy Smart showdown. Until next time, keep flying high and shopping smart. Product links are in the description.